Okay guys and girls, I'm gonna shoot my part 2 video of this 78 CJ5 driving down the road. Gonna take it to dinner tonight. So anyways, 1978 CJ5 Renegade with Levi interior. It's unrestored original. You can watch the first video for the walk around condition. Anyways, V8, factory V8 power steering, manual disc front brakes, 3-speed manual trans. So anyways, it's always kind of hard to shoot these a little bit with the, but I forgot to start it in the first video, so I'm shooting this video a little sooner than normal. So it's kind of hard to drive a stick and hold my dinosaur camera that everybody teases me about. But anyways, here you go, 78 Renegade running down the road, V8 power steering. Small lift, it's got 33s on it, so speedometer works, gas gauge works, oil pressure works, amp gauge works. I am not sure about the temperature gauge. The factory Tach works, the factory clock does not work, but there you go, a little video of the CJ5 taking her to town for dinner tonight.